A new layer 1 blockchain called T-Rex is making serious noises. Why? Because they already raised $17 million from heavyweight backers like Framework Ventures, North Island Ventures, and Arbitrum Gaming Ventures. Also, their mission is to turn your everyday attention into real value. Imagine getting rewarded for doing some simple tasks. So let's go on to their website. First of all, you need to provide your email, or you can log in using Google or your Twitter account easily, and then you need to choose a username for yourself. I've already done that. And after that, you can just enter the website. If you can't enter the website or you head into some problems, just try to change your VPN if you're using one, or try different IPs, different locations. Maybe then you can sign in. And also, you should know that none of these are financial advice. Always do your own research, and airdrops are not guaranteed. So let's go on. All the links to this airdrop are put down in this description of this video. You can just join our Telegram group and see all the updates and links to this project. Let's go on to the tasks. First of all, you need to connect your wallet, and you can collect up to 10 wallets to this airdrop. After connecting with your Google account, you can connect your Twitter, and there is also a task for following them on the Twitter. You need to authorize the app. You can also set your accounts for this section for your profile. Try to connect your social accounts, including Twitter, Discord, and other social accounts. Email and Telegram. They're gonna send you an email for your email confirmation. Just enter the code here in the section and verify. And for Telegram, they use a bot, and the bot is not responding right now. So try to connect your Telegram account later. And here you need to follow their Twitter account, and then you can verify, join TRX channel in the Discord. You need to accept their invite into their channel. You can choose your roles and set your language. Also, you can check the tricks roles in the server, and you can try to get them. That's it. Now you need to verify this task too. All of the tasks completed. You can also connect 9 other wallets to this airdrop. I always recommend you to connect empty wallets. Here you can claim one of the badges for connecting your social accounts. So here in their Twitter, they said that it's not only the tech matters, because it has a great technology. The purpose is build blockchain for entertainment and culture. And also they have raised about $70 million to fix the attention and distribution layers. So you need to just complete some tasks in this airdrop. And also by completing the task, you will get some badges, and that badges is to claim your airdrop. You can also come to the referral section, copy your link and send it to your friends, or you can send invite from the Twitter. You will get some badges for that too. You will get badge for inviting your friends to this airdrop. You can see all the sections in the home tab. You can enter the badges and also quests. Try to come to this section daily and do the quests and do the new quests, because then they refresh every now and then. By completing the tasks and also getting new badges, you'll get some keys, and these keys are really important for the airdrop. So that's it, guys. If you want to don't miss the new updates, just subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys, and bye bye.